Hello, number nines. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your prediction from the 1st to the 15th of November 2020 as per your numerological predictions. This is applicable to anybody who is born on the 9th, 18th, or the 27th of any month. This is also applicable to people who are ruled by Mars, also people falling under the sun sign, Aries, and Scorpio. So, before I start the reading, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and like, share, comment, and help the Ruhani family grow. Looking at your cards now, you've got the Queen of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles. So, the Queen of Cups here indicates that you could be feeling very, very intuitive. You could be visualizing a lot of things. You could be seeing things seeing a lot of things in your dreams, or even otherwise you will be able to channelize your visions. However, this would require some time. This will require some time and patience, perseverance. You are very near to the culmination, but you will have to wait it out. There is frustration on the way, but you will have to wait it out. Nothing can happen before time, and so this will either not happen before time. So my advice to you is to wait it out, to have the faith that is required, and to build on to your patience, to your perseverance, and only then you'll be able to get what you want. I see this a lot happening on your love front and your work front, actually, because you are going through major transformations even in your work front. So on the love front, you've got Ace of Wands. You could have the new beginning that you want if and only if you can socialize. You can network. You will have to take advantage of the network that you've created. You will have to mingle around. You will have to talk to people. But I definitely see some sort of a new beginning on your love front. Also, I feel that because you are beginning something new with someone, you may have to network with that person, because that person could be very, very social. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and this person is going to take you into crowds and make you mingle and talk to a lot of their family and friends and social networks, and this is something that you will also enjoy doing. But yes, I would advise you to have a long-term vision to this. You have definitely started something very in a hurry, but I advise you to go slow with the approach and find your peace with this person. Number nines. On the work front, I see some issues going on with you. You could be ending a cycle. You could be ending a work, a contract. You could be leaving an existing company. You could be leaving a role, and you may want to either travel, you may want to study further, or you may want to switch a job. These are the three things that I see you dwelling onto. And right now you may feel that you're not in a very happy state, but I think the loss will be the loss will be replaced by mental clarity. Once you move on to these new fields, onto these new things, you will realize that things happened for your highest good, and you will be very glad you did that. So number nines, looking at some of the advices we have for you. Great adventure, take a risk, venture forward, just like I said. On the love front, again, this could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. So I think, yes, this is the person that you've been wanting to have. But I would advise you to go a little slow, have a slower approach, and make things a little more permanent for you now. It's up to you. If there is a question on your mind you've been seeking an answer to, the answer is it's up to you. Whatever you do will lead to a new path for where you are. The crystal for you is the sunstone. So number nines, this was your reading. Please write to me if this resonates with you, and until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani.